Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, I'm going to show you how we install gutter. If you're a homeowner looking to install gutter, you can use this video as a little bit of a demonstration. We do have an exact demonstration on how to install gutter. Just click this link up above. You can also search through our channel. Put this on run. I'm going to run this out. We got the tape measure. We're going to run out an exact 10 foot 7 inches. We got a right and a left end cap. We got the right and left end cap. We got the end cap crimps. And then you have your GSL gutter seal. So we pop the end cap on. Just run your little seal in here, seal this end cap up. Once that dries, it dries almost as hard as a rock. You're gonna grab hangers. These are the best hangers you can use to hang a gutter. You're just gonna clip it onto the gutter, and you're gonna put them in about, say, 16, 24 inches. It adds a couple extra dollars to the job by putting them a little closer. It'll really strengthen the gutter by putting just a couple extra hangers in the gutter during installation. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna pop in the outlet for the downspout. You have your drill, you got your hole saw. This is a 2 3/4 hole saw, 2 3/4 pop-in outlet. The outlet's going to go. What you're going to want to do is measure where the outlet's going to go, whether it's 6 inches in from the end or 7, 8 inches. We're going to put this right on the end of the end cap because it's going to actually be beat onto the side of the house. So we're going to go in about 1/2 inch. Just like that. And what you can do with this outlet, I like to use the back of the battery. Just kind of taps it in. And what we're going to finish this off with is the customer wants a product called Gutter Edge on the gutters. So what we do is we just clip this on the front edge before we hang the gutter. You take it all the way to the end cap just like that, and you just clip it into place. Just like that. What the gutter edge will do is it'll eliminate the staining on the front edge of the gutter. If you'd like more information on that, just click this little link right up here above. It should be showing up there now. It'll take you to a little bit more information on that. So you're going to get the last piece. Just kind of butt them together. Clip that in place. And when you cut the gutter edge, you're going to cut from the back of the gutter edge. Just make yourself a little mark. And just make your cut. That's it. So that's basically a completely built gutter. You got your gutter, you got your end caps in, the end caps are sealed, you got your outlet in, the hangers obviously are all in. You got the gutter edge on. We have the gutter all ran out. We have it all put together. And now I'm going to show you how to install it up against the fascia and basically what you'll need. Now, once you have the gutter all put together, the main thing you're going to need obviously is your drill. And the drill bit that you'll need, this is a 1/4 inch hex head drill bit. You'll need this to be able to screw in the hangers. And that's basically all you'll need. I like to carry a belt with any other tools that I could possibly need, some extra screws, some extra hangers. But basically the only thing you'll really need is this drill bit with the 1/4 inch hex head. You're just going to take the gutter. This isn't a huge run, so you can easily put this up yourself. And we don't really have to worry about a line in the gutter on the left or the right hand side. The gutter butts up against a wall. So we're just going to put it up against the wall the best we can. And we're we're gonna get it up as high as we can on this one end. So the one thing you're gonna wanna note is where's the downspout? We see that the downspouts on that side. So we're gonna take this side up with this strip edge the best we can over there. And then we're just gonna screw it in. You got the gutter up. I got a couple screws in here. I'm gonna continue to align the gutter. It's not just proper installation. You want good curb appeal at the same time. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions or comments on this, just shoot them down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys.